Alright, here's a little video. We're on 28. We just left Fontana Village. Now we're heading up to the Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort. I go up there quite often. Pretty much just to see all the mayhem and the idiots dressed in orange and black. Get me a Dr. Pepper, sit on the bench, listen to the Harley owners talk about how fast they slayed the dragon at 15 miles an hour. It's really not that impressive. But I guess if you got a Harley and you can get it down a road with 318 curves, the store should be giving out trophies or something. You should get a great big ginormous trophy to take home if you slayed the dragon on a Harley and you're proud of it. But just remember, US 129 used to be 55 miles an hour. If you can't ride through there at 30 miles an hour, maybe you need to revoke your driver's license. Even this road used to be 55 miles an hour. I'm guessing Swain County wanted to get some revenue off this road, so they dropped the speed. But there's really no reason for it to be 40 mile an hour, 30 mile an hour. Not like you're going to run into a truck. They banned all them. It is really pretty out here this morning. Quiet, the water's calm. There's no fog coming off the water. Yeah, this is nice. It's been so humid in the mountains this year that every morning I've wanted to go out and take a ride. I've had to wait till like 9:30, 10 o'clock for the fog to lift. And even then I was running into fog. It's right at 8:30 right now. And there's just absolutely no one out here. The temperature is perfect. The temperature is probably 65 to 68 degrees. But you come back on this road at noon, and this will be a traffic jam. Man, 20 years ago I blew this curve. Woo! I didn't hit anything. I almost did though. It could have been a lot worse. I want to say 20 years ago It was, yeah, it was closer to 30 years ago. Because I blew the turn. I was riding a 1995 Honda CBR 900RR. The purple and white one, not the purple and black one. And I carried way too much speed into that turn. Even with my knee puck on the ground, I could not get through that turn. I was younger then. I had more lives ahead of me. Now that I'm an old man, I still take a few chances, but I'm not as risky as I used to be. That, and it takes so long to heal. Look at this asshole parked in the road. Nowadays, falling down sucks. You fall down, you can't get up. Then when you do get up, you hurt for a month afterwards. This road could use some fresh pavement also, but it's still pretty good. When they repave a road, you got to relearn it. I've been on this road so many times, you kind of start to learn where the whoop-de-doos are, and it just becomes second nature. You kind of coast right through it. I can still remember my first time on this road. Early 90s, I was on a Honda VFR 750. I promise you, I had a smile from ear to ear. I couldn't have been happier. Got us a Can-Am Spyder from Florida. Everything he owns is on that bike. Surprised he didn't wave me around. We're at Deals Gap now. Here's their dumpsters. Watch him wave us around. Nope. Nope. He must have been here before. But there it is right there. Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort. Have you ever met a Mustang owner who wasn't an asshole? Yeah, me either.